Hello everyone. In this video we will learn sounds. So without wasting time, let's start. A, t, at. Let's read few more words. Ka, at, k, at, cat, cat. B, at, b, at, bat, bat. F, at, f, at, fat, fat. H, at, h, at, hat, hat. F, lat, f, lat, flat, flat. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, nat, bat, rat, fat. When A and D come together, they become add, add. D, add, d, add, dad, dad. S, add, s, add, sad, sad. Ha, add, ha, add, hat, hat. Br, add, br, add, brad, brad. Key, pad, key, pad, keypad, keypad. Bad, dad, had, lad, mad, nad, bad, red, sad. When A and an comes together, they becomes an, n, an, n, an. V, an, v, an, van, van. F, an, f, an, fan, fan. M, an, m, an, man, man. Jap, an, Jap, an, Japan, Japan. Can, Dan, fan, Jan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. So in this video we learned sound of at, add and an. So if you want to learn more sound, if you want to read English fluently, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you enjoyed the video, then please like and share with your friends.